What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 4th of December. Taking a look at the markets here this morning. Getting some pretty big moves overnight here in the crypto markets. We're going to take a look at Pepe, XRP, and Bitcoin. So we're going to kick this video off, guys, with Pepe getting a very solid breakout here. We went pretty deep here in this most recent sell-off off of the high here on the 9th of November. That resistance level came in at 133.541, which is that pink line there. Decent pullback on a percentage basis. So this is such a low-priced product that the moves on the chart are very large percentage moves. So that was like roughly a 25% move lower, and it is back to the upside, actually getting a very solid breakout today. We could be in for a very large move higher here for Pepe if we get a strong close and the momentum can continue. We have this potential big inverse head and shoulders here. You know, it's not perfect, but we have a left shoulder, we have the head here, and forming the right shoulder with a potential breakout in place right now. Currently up 17.32%. We've been holding this thing for a while, accumulating. It's so cheap that it's hard not to own something like this, especially when it starts to show strength and continue its momentum higher. So we're watching the current resistance level. It's 133.541. Above that, we have a 187, 177, 230. Let's see, 213,900, 248.57. Those are all pretty high above the market. The first level there, which is the 187, 177. Puts the market up another 34% and so on. And I think we easily get to that level. That would basically be our left-hand side here of this inverse head and shoulders. So we should be getting pulled up to that way. And like I said, that's good for another 34%. So keep your eye on Pepe. This is the Pepe USD chart on BitGet here. So let me know your thoughts on that. All right, guys, let's take a look over at Bitcoin. It's up 1696, 1701. That's a $1,700 move for Bitcoin. We are above the level we've been talking about at 38,601.89. We're starting to look like something down in here. We got up to resistance. The market paused for a couple days, and we started to get some explosive moves higher. Up to resistance, paused for a few days, starting to get that explosive move higher and starting to break into all of this baggage above the market. So we'll see how high this can go, and if it can hold. We have some big levels way above the market, 73,494. We're only at 41, so we got a long way to go. But it can happen quick. We'll see. I don't think it'll happen in a straight move by any means. We'll see how far this can go. Once again, we could easily pull back to 38,601.89 for Bitcoin, but it's looking good, and it's helping the rest of the market here be in the green. That's why Pepe's up 17. That's why XRP is up 2.65. That's what we're heading to next here. So XRP USD, this is the Bitstamp data here. We are on tradingview.com. We have a higher high today. If you've watched the past 2 videos, I believe, since I've been back here making some more videos, we were talking about a higher high here for XRP. And we are getting that. Let's draw this out on the chart. We had our low here. We had a higher high, higher low. And we are getting that higher high today. We have a confirmed change in trend, guys. So good for the bulls not good if you're short. Of course, if you were short this market, I would personally be a little worried, especially with the strength that Bitcoin is showing. So we have some levels up there, 65, 700. Next target areas above the market for XRP, and then above that, 68, 69, 374. So we'll see how far this trend can continue. We have a very rough looking cup with handle here. So we got this big cup here, and we have the handle forming, and we're forming that right side of the handle with, according to the pattern, the breakout would really be up here. I think this would also be a decent zone, top of those candle bodies. So that puts you up there in the mid 70-cent range based on this pattern. But like I said, we are starting right now with a new uptrend. So we'll see how far it lasts, if Bitcoin can hold. So that's my thoughts, guys, on the market right now. Nice, pleasant surprise to see these markets turn back into the green. Like I said, we'll see how far they go. But for right now, the trend is clearly higher. The Bitcoin futures have been in an uptrend for many, many weeks, guys. And any pullback has been brief. So we'll see. Eventually it'll end. But for right now, the momentum is north. It is higher. So that's my thoughts on XRP, Pepe, and Bitcoin. Guys, check out my woodworking channel. There's a link down in the video description. All right, guys, take care.